My name is ئەنۋەر. I live in Belgium and I'm a Belgian citizen. I'm going to testify for my father, نياز. He is a 57-year-old well-respected teacher. He's been detained last year in 2018 in April, and since then we don't know anything. I haven't heard any news from him. He has been arbitrarily detained and he didn't commit any crime. He's been a Communist Party member for more than 30 years. He already passed the age of retirement, but he was still working on the demand from the government. He was still working extra. So he didn't need any re-education as the Chinese government now is claiming that they are trying to re-educate people and trying to provide them the vocational training. But he's a very respected teacher, very experienced teacher, so he doesn't need any re-education. And he is not so-called religious extremist either. He's born a Muslim, but he's a moderate Muslim. So I demand the Chinese government to free him, to release him immediately and unconditionally. And I'll also plead, I also ask the democratic countries and the people who pursue the democracy to pressure on China or take meaningful actions to stop this atrocity that China is now engaged in, and try to save the millions of people who are now suffering in China's 21st century concentration camps. Thanks.